All right, so we're going to complete day 3 of your homework. And here, if you look, these two segments are, they intersect the circumference of the circle once. So these are called tangents. And something you need to know, this radius intersects this tangent right here. So this is that's a right angle. And I think we'll get more into that tomorrow. So what you need to know about these two tangents is they equal each other. So in order to solve for x, we are going to set these two equations equal to each other. Are the lengths of the two segments equal to each other? And now we lean on what we already know. Constants belong on the right side. So we get 46x equals 48x minus 2. And the variables belong on the left side. And we have to cross over this line, so we're going to change the sign. So negative 2x equals negative 2 divided by negative 2 divided by negative 2. So x is equal to 1. And we're finished with that one. All right. So here this question is asking us to find the perimeter. And if you notice, we have tangents that are hitting this circle. So what did we just say about tangents? So if this is 10, then this side right here is 10. Okay, and let's go and highlight this and this. If this is 14, then so is this 14. And let's go and highlight this. Well, let's do a different color. This and this. These two should be the same. But we got a slight issue right here. Because if you look, they didn't give me anything on this. But they told me this whole thing is 19.5. So if this is 19.5 and this piece is 10, then if I already have 10 of it, the question you need to ask yourself is how much of this whole thing that's left. So if you use your calculator and do 19.5 minus 10, then this is 9.5. So in this piece right here is also 9.5. So we need to find a perimeter. And this is a key word. You need to make sure you know what perimeter is. Perimeter means to add all of the outside pieces together. And if you can't remember, inside of the word perimeter is rim. Rim means outside. Okay, so I'm going to go and add all of these outside pieces together. So we get 10 plus 10 plus 9.5 plus 9.5 plus 14 plus 14. You can use your calculator. I'm going to hit some mental math right quick. So that's 18, that's 19, that's 28. And then this would be 48 plus 19. You can grab a calculator and put this directly in. I'm just showing you how you can use your mental math too. So this is 67, 4, 5, 6. Let me double check. 20, 28, 18, 19, 48 plus 19. Yeah, I think I'm okay at 67. And you can double check with your calculator. And we're going to say, since perimeter is a linear unit, we're going to say 67 units. We're done with that one. Okay, here this is saying solve for the missing part. We need to find this part right here. So what you have to remember is this right here is a tangent. So if a tangent intersects and this piece right here, the light blue piece is called a diameter, and it's a diameter because it intersects the middle of the circle and it touches on both sides. It's a special chord. So if I look from the center to the circumference right here, then that's a radius, and it intersects the tangent and forms a 90-degree angle. So if that's happening, look at what kind of triangle we have. We have a right triangle. So we can go to our handy-dandy Pythagorean theorem. So that's A, B, and the side across from the right angle is C. So this should be coming back up to you guys. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And I want to find a leg. So here I'm going to substitute in. And remember, anytime you substitute something into a parentheses, in an equation, put it in parentheses. All right, we're going to draw a line. Draw the line across this. If you cross over the line, you need to make sure you change the sign. So, this is 400, and I'm using mental math. You can use your calculators, babies. So here, the 144 needs to go to the right side. It is on the wrong side. So here we get x squared equals, you can use your mental math or you can use your calculator. I'm going to go mental here. That's 10. This breaks down to 9, so 56. And this breaks down to, I borrowed, so that becomes 256. Now you can use your calculator to double check behind yourself. And let me make sure I'm right. 2, 3, that makes this 10. Yep, everything's good. So x squared equals 256. And now we need to solve for x. The inverse of something squared is to take its square root. So x equals, and let's go get the square root of 256. And that is 16. So x equals 16. And we did it. We found that missing part. And be careful with these questions because they can easily ask you, what's the radius? And in order to get the radius, you do half of the diameter. So this would be 8, and this piece right here would be 8. All right, hopefully that rings a bell from middle school. All right, let's see. Oh, that's it, guys. All right, see you on tomorrow. Bye.